Friends, think and tell us, do we not need an educated Prime Minister and a visionary leader who can talk eloquently on a technology and making a direction to the youth of this country? You can see this video and decide for yourself. Future is bright for the youth of my country. Please like, share, and subscribe. See the video.
As I said in my speech, I'm speaking directly to the young people of this country. And in my speech, I had mentioned about how drones are changing warfare. So I wanted to go a little bit deeper into that idea. So here is a drone. This is a
Drone
DJI
technology,
drone
he is
made in
explaining.
China. And that's a battery, lithium polymer battery. These are 4 brushless DC motors, and that's the camera. So what I was saying was that when you connect these brushless motors to this battery, give it a camera, and allow people to communicate directly with this through FPV unit, you change warfare. This little thing is now making tanks, artillery pieces, large weapons in the Ukraine battlefield pretty much obsolete. I said that industrial systems fight wars. This is actually a commercial product. This is made by a Chinese factory called DJI, and this is actually a toy, right? What we are seeing here is innovative technology of the motor, high quality optics, telecommunication equipment, and essentially a bunch of cell phone batteries set together are allowing this thing to transform the battlefield. Earlier, the Air Force used to operate, let's say, for the most part, above 10,000 feet. And if you wanted, if a local unit, fighting unit wanted air support, they had to call the Air Force, and then the Air Force had to send the plane. And the plane was big, very expensive, etc. So now what has happened is the Air Force has merged with the platoon, right? So now the platoon itself has its own Air Force, can use that Air Force to strike opponents, and can observe the battlefield. So what has happened is the Air Force has suddenly come all the way to the ground level, and it's built a completely different reconnaissance concept at a much lower level, which means that the battlefield has become much more transparent. You just put a
Jai
drone up there and then you
Ho
can see everything that's going
Raga,
on.
Jai
And
Ho
individual units
Raga.